National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Somerset County and south central Pennsylvania until 11:30 a.m. At 10:38 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near South Connellsville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Mount Davis, Meyersdale. This will impact the following major roads: Route 40, Route 219. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties: Somerset County, Pennsylvania.